Hey guys, this is Donna with The Best Life, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the results of my baking soda gender test. If that's something that you would like to learn more about, then hey, stay watching. Guys, this is Donna with The Best Life, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on new videos. Smooches. So guys, hey, if you've watched my video on the baking soda gender test, you would see that my results was a girl. Yay! It didn't do any fizzing, none at all. I may have seen a bubble here or there, but definitely not the fizzing that I was expecting. And I came to the conclusion that the baby was gonna be a girl based on my results. So let's talk about that gender test. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about things that we need to do in order to make sure we can be as accurate as possible. Before you get started, don't forget that you need to have a brand new box of baking soda. So make sure it's fresh, it's not expired. That's step number one. Step number two, I recommend that you use your urine, the first urine of the morning. So don't forget to collect that in a container that you could have for later on if you don't want to do it right immediately when you wake up. So that's step number two. Step number three, you only need about 3 teaspoons of the baking soda, and you can have an equal equivalent of urine to pour into that. And that's really all you need. So once you've gathered all of your your urine and your baking soda in their separate container, once you've done that, then you're gonna go ahead and you're going to pour your urine in the baking soda. And once you pour your urine in the baking soda, if it fizzes, that means that you're going to have a boy. No reaction means that it's going to be a girl. And that's it. It's quite simple. And if you want to check out my video when I did my baking soda results, you will see that I had really no reaction, maybe 1 or 2 bubbles, and that's when I came to the conclusion that we were having a girl, and here she is. We got ourselves a little girl over here. Say hello. So I hope this is helpful for anybody who's interested in giving this gender reveal test a try. Don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah. Smooches until next time, y'all.